In the last video, we left off with this Tailwind component where it was, when it becomes responsive, it's that circular image and they're all stacked on top of each other. And then as I go into larger screens, the picture is on the side. Now we're going to see today how we actually integrate that into Sitecore. So first things first, we want to add Tailwind. For development purposes, what I usually do just to get started is actually add Tailwind as a CDN. However, this is not recommended by Tailwind, and this should not be done for production environment because firstly, it's very large, and secondly, you can't really customize or add new extensions to that model. So right now I have here in my Tailwind theme, what I've done is I've added this HTML include, and I've just linked to the CDN. And in the next video, we're going to actually look at how we compile and configure the Tailwind CSS to upload as part of our styles instead of just including it as an HTML include like I have done so. But that's for next video. This video, as I said, we're going to look at how we're actually adding this component into Sitecore. So this component I'm going to actually add into the promo. So I'll open up the rendering variants, promo, and then Tailwind. You'll see the first thing I did here was just copy and paste all the content that I had done in Tailwind Play. So if I just paste it in Visual Studio Code as HTML or scriban, quickly see that this is the HTML we have. It's firstly it has a figure, and then it has an image, and then it has the P, and then it has the title, the name and title of that person. I'm going to convert this into an actual scriban template. So first thing we need to do is actually get the correct names. So instead of having the image here, I need to read from the promo icon. So I'll use the SC field item promo icon. I'll give it a class, and I'll pass all these items to the class. And because I know that my image is always going to be maximum 48 width, that's the biggest size it has, so I just added that H50 here to ensure that the size of the image that's being added, even if the image is uploaded quite large, it still minimizes it before uploading or before rendering. And then I'll want to do the same for this. So this is going to be I_item dot promo text. Same thing for this one. So that's going to be promo text 2. And then same for this, and that's going to be promo text 3. Now I'll copy this back again into my Sitecore, into Tailwind here. So that's my, I'll publish it just to show you. You'll see that the image changed, the content is the same, but it does look correct, and it is actually reading from a real promo item now. So I'll just, to show you that in action, I'll just open my page here in Experience Editor, and you'll see that this has the full WYSIWYG experience. So instead of staff engineer, let's call her customer happiness, and it's going to be, I'll just keep her Sarah Smith, and the image I'll change. We don't have too many images though, so I'll just actually keep this image and save. And there you have it. This is the promo that we're editing now. I'll just publish it again just to show you. that's actually updating. So now I made her Sarah Smith and as a customer happiness. And you can see here it says, oops, and I have both in incognito mode. So let me just open normal browser. Oh yeah, so I forgot to actually publish the item itself. So let me go back to content editor and publish the promo itself. Yeah, and it's Sarah Smith, customer happiness design. So as you can see, it's quite simple to integrate. However, as we said, this way of adding it as CDN is not the best way because this is not recommended by Tailwind and it will create a very large file. So in the next video, we're going to look at how we can actually optimize this. And then we're going to look at how we can style the items through Sitecore styling. Thanks for watching.